how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Spider-Man Christmas. It's going to be a little bit like the other one, but a different angle of the face. He's going to be looking to the left this time. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? And there's going to be color to it. So that's pretty much it. What I want you to do is to get a piece of paper. Let's get started, okay? Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe. When you do that, it's gonna let you know when I post in the future. This is a Christmas and Christmas channel, so it's seasonal. So you want to be able to see that stuff when it comes up next year. So definitely hit the subscribe and click the bell icon. All right, let's get started over here. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw a curve here for the front of his face, and that marker is not so good. It's drying out. So let me change over to this marker. Okay, that's much better. Go over here. Down over here, back, curve to the back of the head here. This is the back of his jaw. I'm gonna actually already draw the brim of the Christmas hat right here. It's got that texture to it. Go over here. Boom, boom. The texture to the side of the brim of that hat. Same thing over here. So this brim of the hat. And then right here at the top. And something I'm going to add this time I didn't add to the other ones is pull a line over here for a scarf. A line over here for a scarf. And down here, and it's going to go up. See that? It's going to have that scarf. And I'm going to have the scarf coming out over here, just like it's in the wind a little bit there. It's a good vignette, too, as well. All right. I'm going to pull from the front of the head here. I'm going to go back for the top of that hat, down. I'm going to go over here this side, curve up, back. First, it's going to be there's a fold in the fabric, and I'm going to pull something out from over here in there. Go over here on this side. Got that popcorn ball at the end of the hat. So now I'm going to find the eyes. So he's going to be turning that way, so you're going to see a little bit of the far side eye, and then most of the eye that's near us. I'm going to put a dot here and a dot here to show where I'm going to start those out in. So I'm going to go up, go over here, up, over here, so those are Spider-Man's eyes. I tried to make it thick as well. Make the line on his eyes thick, because that's pretty important, you know? Go over here, and I'm going to draw a little explosion in the center of the face here. That's what it looks like. It looks like a little cartoon explosion. And then I'm going to throw a line over here, and it's going to curve, hugging the curve of his face. Right here. It's going to curve, 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 curve. Think of the roundness of the front of the face, and that's kind of a big part of this. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to curve, curve, right here, and obviously it's forming a circle, but like a web, right? It's the web design. It's curving inward. All these little lines are curving inward. Right there. That's pretty much it as far as the drawing goes. Let's jump into the color real briefly. I'm going to be using marker. You can use anything you like. You can use a crayon. You can use a colored pencil. But the reason I'm using marker is because I want to to quickly demo, because it's like the quickest form here. By the way, the reason I use Prismacolor, I never talk about this, so I'm going to talk about it now. Prismacolor. I use Prismacolor markers, or you can use Copic. The reason I use this to color with and not the same Crayola brand that I draw with is because when I use a Crayola brand, it literally rubs the marker here. I don't know what it is. It maybe uses the same chemical or something like that on the Crayolas. But when I use a Crayola like red and I put it through the black here, the black will start getting gross. You know, it'll start kind of streaming into the other one. This one, it doesn't. And I don't know if that's just a different, if it's like a different company or it's just a higher quality marker, which I have a feeling it's both. It's a higher quality marker and it's a different company. So that's why I just use this, and it's really good. It doesn't smear. See how it doesn't smear the edges of the black at all. So I recommend these. I'll put the link in the description. You can probably buy them on Amazon. But yeah, highly recommend them. I would open the window though because there's this really gross smell that these have. That is not good for your health. So I'm gonna right here, like I said, just kind of quickly and flatly coloring the hat. I'm about to put this through his face right now as well. Hopefully you dig, you know, like the Spider-Man season, right? Spider-Man's coming out this month. No Way Home. Hopefully I didn't I probably dated myself. I know I dated the video. So if you're watching this in 2023, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm a huge Spider-Man fan, so I am really excited. See right here, I'm just putting it right through there, and it's not smearing the marker at all. So that's really important, especially with his face, right? Because there's marker stuff all over it, right? If that thing was smearing, wow, that would completely screw up my drawing. So luckily it's not, or I'd have to go in between really carefully between all these webs, and I don't want to do that. So it's kind of like a shortcut to buy these things. Like I said, they are more expensive than the other ones, though. I don't remember how much more expensive, because I bought these, believe it or not, I bought these ones like 15 years ago or something. And I just started using it for the channel, and now I'm like addicted. All right. There you go. Oh, one more thing. I forgot to say this. Maybe get like a blue and go along the edges of the white here. Like just along the edge right there, draw like a line along the edge. It tends to show like it looks like reflective off the white. Kind of makes it look like snow. You can either do it on the bottom, or you can do it on the bottom left and right, or you can do it all the way around here, and it really does make a difference. Oh, I forgot the ball here. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. You know, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you want to become a better artist, do not forget, I have all my stuff on Skillshare. That is, you know, Skillshare, Skillshare, Skillshare. Go to the link in the description, and you can get a month free, and you can see every lesson that I've ever made for free for a month. Basically, it's an awesome kind of... Skillshare is like this community. It's like YouTube, except normally you have to pay for like, I don't know, to use it per month. That's why we're not, you know, if you click the link, you get it completely free for a month, and they'll never charge you if you know, cancel the thing. But basically, I have all the stuff on there. If you want to become, like, draw portraits, draw the head, you know what I mean? Draw, like, the body in different positions, how to draw anime. I have a lot of stuff on there, and it's all completely free if you want to upgrade your skill. Go check that out right now. All right. Talk to you later.